You've learned about making tens, you've learned about doubles, and now it's time to talk about addition with numbers up to 20. What does it mean to add? Add means to join. It means that we are putting together. And when we add, we are making more. When we add, we are getting a sum. Here are some things you need to know first. To add, you need a plus sign. There's your plus sign right there. There are some keywords to look for when you add. For example, in all, sum, total, both, join, combine, altogether, and plus. And remember that every addition sentence has a start, a change, and a sum. Start, change, and sum? Number sentence? What? Okay, don't worry. This right here is a number sentence. This number sentence reads 2 plus 3 equals 5. The 2 is my start, is the way that my number sentence begins. I have my plus sign that follows it. That means that I'm going to add. The 3 is the change. That lets me know how I am going to add. How is that 2 going to change? Equals means that I'm getting my answer. And 5 is the sum, is what I get when I put 2 and 3 together. You can also use a picture and counting to solve the number sentence. You start with 2, and then you change it by 3, by adding 3, and then you count them all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all together, making it 2 plus 3 equals 5. 10 frames can also help you add. Here we have the number sentence 8 plus 3. 8 is my start, so I'm going to start with 8 counters on my 10 frame of one color. I chose green. And then my 3 is my change. I'm going to add by 3. So I'm going to add to my 10 frame. I'm going to finish filling up the first 10 frame. And then since the other one doesn't fit, I go ahead and move on to the next 10 frame. Then I count all of these together to find my answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8 plus 3 equals 11. Help me out here. I have 4 plus 9 equals blank. On my 10 frame, I have 4 counters. That is my start. What do I need to do now? Did you say add 9? Good, because I will add 9. I added 9 yellow counters to my 10 frames. I finished filling up my first 10 frame, and then I did the rest on the next 10 frame. Now let's count how much we have. If I know that here I have 4, I can continue with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 4 plus 9 equals 13. Very good. Here's the next one. I have 8 plus 7 equals blank. What did I start with? Did you say 8? Good. There are 8 green counters on my 10 frame. What do I need to do next? Did you say draw 7 more? I hope you did, because that's exactly what we need to do. We drew 7 more counters on our 10 frames. Now, let's count to see the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Did you get 15? Good, because 8 plus 7 equals 15. What about this one? Try this one on your own. 7 plus 5 equals... What was my start? Right, my start was 7. So my 10 frame already has 7 counters to begin with. what do I need to add to my 10 frame? That's right. 5 more counters, but this time yellow ones. So what is the total of 7 plus 5? Did you count the counters? What did you get? Did you say 12? Good. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Now try this one by yourself. I'll give you some time to figure it out. We have 9 plus 8 equals blank. What is your start? Did you say 9? Good. So we put 9 green counters on the 10 frame first. What's your change? What are you going to add by? You are so smart. Yes, we are going to add 8. Now, that we have all of our counters on our 10 frame, it's time to count. If I know that my green counters are 9, I don't have to start over and count. I can just keep counting on. So we have here 9. Then we continue with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Did you get 17 as your answer? I knew you would. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Good job. Now you give it a try. Make me proud. And look at the number sentences I have given you for today. Solve the addition problems and make sure to show your strategy of drawing pictures to add. Good luck!